is to go to the forecourts. If we get as far as Bow Street, then we'll be fine.
Right, we start evacuations in an hour. We're staying for one more hour. One final stand. I desire now, lest I may not have the opportunity later, to pay homage to the gallantry of the soldiers of Irish freedom, who have, during the past 4 days, been writing with fire and steel the most glorious chapter in the later history of Ireland.
In this supreme hour, the Irish nation must, by its valour and discipline, and by the readiness of its children, to sacrifice themselves for the common good, prove itself worthy of the august destiny to which it is called. Well, gentlemen.
Vaidin Gauna Cásca, an tríú lá fiche d'Abrán 1960, chruinnig Seachtar fearr in Hallan na Saoirse, I grí lár chathair átha clia.
Signed on behalf of the Provisional Government. Thomas Clark.
Agus iad de sinú forógra phoblacht na hÉireann, hig gach duineacha go raibh de rang nealú tain don Éirí Amach fuilteach a bhí le teacht. Gan mór an áiris, bhí sé de sinú barántas a más.